Hello, this is wmpyr. For today's lesson, we're going to be working with the angles of attack. That is our form that we use in the Filipino martial arts, and there's a ton of them. But I'm going to start with a very basic one, and we're going to progress it to empty hand. And when we go empty hand, that means, in this case, we're going to be working with punches, okay? So let me first show you the form. So we'll start with the sticks, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so what that is a downwards diagonal, That's 1 and 2. Number 3 is a sideways, number 4 is a sideways, and then number 5 is a diagonal upwards, and number 6 is a diagonal upwards. So that concludes the form, okay? So those are the main angles that we're going to be working with today. So that was the 6 angles of attack, because it was 6 angles that we did. So now I'm going to work with double stick, okay? So when we work with double stick, stance like this, okay? And it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the downwards diagonal from both sides, okay? So first, this side first, so it goes 1, 2, and then downwards diagonal from this side, 3, and 4. Okay, so hope you guys can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next is side to side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that was side to side. Next, we're going to go upwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the movement is the same, okay? The movement is left arm goes first, then right arm. So this is the whole double arm swing that hopefully you've done before already. So this is a very basic movement where you're just swinging the sticks back and forth like so. But the angles are follow and true to the first one that I showed with just single stick. We're using those angles, downwards, downwards, side to side, and then upwards, upwards. So I hope you guys can see that. Going from single stick to double stick, I hope I didn't lose you guys there, because now we're going to go right here to empty hand, and I'm going to be using punches. So I'm going to do pretty much what I did with the double sticks right here, and it's a downwards diagonal, downwards diagonal. So that goes boom, boom, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my downwards diagonal. I'm aiming for their arm, their hand. That's what I'm punching, defang the snake. That's a staple in Filipino martial arts. You attack the limb. So once again, downwards diagonal, boom, boom. See, come downwards diagonal, and then downwards diagonal from this angle. So 3, 4, like so. Next is side to side. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm punching them right on the arm, bam. It's my back fist, boom, right here. Not too worried about what kind of punch I'm exactly doing at this point. I'm more concerned about the angles. Follow the angles, the body mechanics at this point. Okay, because honestly, it doesn't matter if you use a knife, stick, or if I do a tiger claw, or knuckles, or palm strike, or chop. You know, those are just all tools. The body mechanics is what's important here. So next is 5 and 6, which is the upwards diagonal motion. So boom, boom, that's number 5. Boom, that's number 6. So 5, 6, 5, and 6. Boom, boom, boom. So there's it's going from the bottom. So from the beginning, one more time. So I'm going 1, 2. That's my downwards diagonal. I just made an X. Side to side. Up, up. Okay. So that's how that is done. I hope that makes sense. Thank you for watching, and take care, folks.